welcome to my channel, MiMi's Makeup. I know the sound is not perfect, but it's just like a small intro because I'm gonna get ready to go to work and I'm gonna apply my makeup. So I decided to record like a speed up kind of my everyday makeup video. So yeah, let's get started. So I just woke up and took my shower and put my lenses on my eyes. As you can see, so beautiful. And I'm drinking my coffee and I'm getting ready. So I hope you enjoy this. And I'm sorry for the audio, it's not perfect right now because I'm just recording directly from the phone. But let's stop popping and apply makeup because I need to go to work. So I love you so much and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.
The less thoughts you think and the more you're in flow should be the main purpose that you go.
Okay, hi everyone again. So I was recording a video for you. I don't know I'm gonna put the intro or not because I realized while recording, after I record everything and about to put my lipstick, I just recorded to half of the video until I was putting my blush, so everything about the eyes, brows and everything is not recorded because this is a new phone. This is my mic, by the way. This is a new phone, so I'm still getting used to it. I'm recording with my front camera now to see the quality of the video and how it's gonna look like on like editing stuff to see. I tried the back camera, but it was really good, but I decided to record with the front camera now. So and to see like if I'm gonna go live later on. But while recording, I have like a white circle on the screen right now. I thought it was like about the lighting. I didn't realize it was about like recording and like stop recording and re-recording again. So I press it and place it on my face. So I thought it was the lighting, like grab the lighting to my face so the picture will be more clear and more brighter and you can see the details. But after I finished everything and about to apply my lipstick, I realized it wasn't recording after I pressed this little circle here because it's just like it show you the press record or not. I don't know why, to be honest, because I already see the recording and it stopped recording on my screen right now because I use the front camera. I don't know why, but I still see this white circle on the screen. But anyway, we are learning because it's completely new phone, yeah, still new, like to the whole process. So I'm doing my everyday makeup. It's a very quick kind of makeup because I'm gonna go to work, and now I have a little bit of like mascara just right here. Let it completely dry before doing this step, using spoolie to rub it, and it will be completely gone. Don't be afraid. Like that. It's almost gone. I don't want to go harsh on this area because it's very sensitive. Sorry, and I'm gonna go with this brush. Okay. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of powder because I didn't use the powder, and apply underneath my eyes to set that in place. Okay. And with a bigger brush, just dust it all over. Okay, what I do every morning when I wake up is just drink my coffee, like take my shower and get ready to work. I used to listen to songs. It's a good thing if you are in a bad mood or something. I used to listen to songs before I discover the whole world about like motivational videos and audiobooks and all this stuff. Since then, I begin to listen to something motivational or something useful every time because I spend so much time like getting ready, and I want to use my time, use my time to be useful for me. So that's what I'm doing. I was listening to Aaron Duggatti. I hope I said his name right. I love listening to him. Hope you can see him. I love listening to him. Really good. He's very good. And I download a list of other stuff. So I have a download a lot of videos on YouTube channel to listen to while I'm like getting ready or everything, like dressing up, like I have a spare time or anything like that, because it really does a great difference in my life. Because even if I'm listening to something that I already know, but you just keep listening to these stuff over and over again, it's just like implemented very hard in your brain, and it become a part of you as a human being. It's not something you listen to and just like skip it away, because our brain always bring the most relevant things that we really need in life. So these things that we don't repeat, like put it on repeat over and over again until it become a part of our personality, part of our life, who we are, it will just go to the back of your brain, because your brain will think that you don't need this, just something that you listen to and just like go to the back of your brain. It will not bring it forward until you press your brain to bring this stuff forward. So I've been going emotionally through ups and downs lately. It's not that hard as it was before. It's less intense in me, because my meditation, my like learnings, my listening every single day, every moment that I can take a new thing that put me in the right track, mindly and emotionally, really, I feel like it really gives me the push to be better. So of course sometimes I feel depressed, sometimes I feel sad, sometimes I feel like angry, sometimes I feel upset, I feel bad about the things happening in life, emotionally, like in a workplace and everything. Of course that get me a little bit frustrated, but I just come out from this state really quickly, because what I've been learning like the last years, really I can really feel it really does something in my life. I'm not in that state, but when I'm not in that state of being like sad or feeling frustrated, like feeling disappointed, all this stuff, I just like let myself feel these emotions. It's very important to embrace these emotions. Don't press it, don't hide it, don't just like skip it to the back and just make yourself happy, like force yourself to be happy. Just feel these emotions. It's very important to feel it, because it needs to express itself. So you need to help these emotions to come forward and listen to them and just talk to them. Why? And ask yourself why you are feeling so frustrated, why you're feeling depressed, why you're feeling so sad and angry. Just feel these emotions and embrace it as it is. Don't force it to go away. Don't do anything. Just sit a moment with yourself. That's what I always do, is sit with myself. Even if I want to cry, I cry, just to let these emotions, negative emotions, to come out, to express itself as it wants. So after I just done crying or asking myself and trying to figure out why I feel these emotions, sometimes it just happen like in a snap. I'm very happy. Like yesterday, I was happy and I was excited because I did something in my work. I was so excited about it, and just when I came home, I began to feel a bit sad out of nowhere. I'm not gonna say depressed, I would say a bit sad and like heartbroken somehow. And then I asked myself, why I feel that way? Why? But I didn't had a specific answer to this. So I decided to, okay, you feel that way, just express your emotions, see what you need to do. So I took a shower and just feel it, and then I began to feel like I'm a little bit sleepy. So I said, okay, maybe you need to sleep, so let's go sleep, because the night before I didn't had enough sleep. So I went to sleep and sleep well and wake up very, very good, not feeling anything. So you need to feel these emotions and ask it why you are here, what do you want me to do for you, so I can help you and help myself for you to go away, and for me to be a happier person and more motivated, a more excited about life person. So my advice, don't suppress these negative emotions. Don't take it back, don't take it deep and just close on it, because it's gonna accumulate and just increase in intensity by time. If you do it every single time, just feel it and sit with it like you are sitting with your best friend, because it's part of you. That's normal to feel up and down. You're not gonna be optimistic and motivated and the most excited and more happy person all the time. You will feel depressed and you feel all these negative emotions, you will go down. But when you go down, you need to sit with yourself and embrace that. Take time for yourself and just hold yourself, hug yourself. No one else will help you in these stuff. If you need help, ask for advice, ask for something like a professional healer or psychiatrist, psychologist when you really need it. But if you don't have any disorders or any very big complication that you feel that you need someone else to help you to solve it, if you feel that you can do it with yourself, just take time with yourself. Don't say that it's a wasted time. It's not. Believe me, it's not. It's very important. And after that, every time you do that, it will become more easier and you will understand yourself more. You will discover a lot of aspects of yourself you never knew before. It's kind of cool, like a shadow work. If you are interested in this, you can search on YouTube. There's a lot of videos that you can do shadow work. It's like 100 different ways that you communicate with yourself and express and discover this shadow part of you that's hidden from your childhood and can make this complication in your life if you have any, and all the problems. Sometimes you don't understand yourself, hate yourself and all this stuff. It comes from something that happens in our childhood. Maybe we remember it, maybe not. So you discover yourself. That's what I'm doing on myself. I'm a psychiatrist, yes, but we don't study that in psychiatry. We just study disorders. So I'm doing all this stuff just for myself, because I need to help myself to become a better person every single day. This is my goal in life, to be happier and more excited about life and enjoy every moment and be in this moment as much as I can, so I can enjoy life. I'm not gonna live here forever, and I don't know when I come back, I'm gonna come in a human being or a cat, because I love cats, and everyone told me that I'm like a little cat since I was a little girl. So I feel like I was in a past life, I was kind of a cat, and maybe I will be a cat again. And I'm very drawn to cats, and cats very drawn to me. So I don't know, but I want to enjoy my life as much as I can. So these dark moments or this sad moments, when it comes, because every single time, you need to embrace them, you need to feel them, understand them, and communicate with them, so you can understand yourself more and embrace these feelings. So after you finish doing this, you will feel completely different. You will feel that you have a very, very excited and very mindful communication with yourself, and believe me, it's not like nothing else in this world, to be honest. So I need to get ready, so I'm gonna apply the Maybelline vinyl, because every time I say it wrong, it's a vinyl. It's a vinyl. This is a new color. So okay, let me bring scissors. Okay, never mind the chair. It's from my cats. When I had cats on my old home, I really miss them. I really do. So I'm gonna cut that, because I don't wanna remove it. I'm gonna cut it in half. And before doing anything, we're gonna shake, 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 shake. I love these lipsticks. I love the Super Stay from Maybelline. And after I tried this one, it became my favorite, to be honest. And before that, for the lip creams, I love NYX stuff. I didn't use them from a really long time. And I have another vibrant color here. It's Addis Ababa. I really love this color. Used to love it. Okay, let me see. See, the color is so beautiful. But I want to apply something vibrant. So I'm going to apply this one. Okay, I need to do my hair. I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair. But I will apply that first. What? I cut you. Okay, cut part of it. Okay, wait a minute. Not all of it. Okay. Yep, we're done. It's ready. Let's try this color together because it's completely new. Oh my god. Okay. It's darker than I expected. Okay. I guess it looks a little bit lighter on the camera, but on real life it's more vibrant. But it's really good. I really love this color. It's so good. Okay, so I'll let it like this. So let's do my hair. I'm gonna wear my clothes first, and I'm gonna do my hair. It's completely flat. I need to like add a little bit of volume and see what I'm gonna do with this. So I really hope you like this video and it was helpful. My advice, I love doing these kind of videos. If you like them, please let me know. And if you want me to do like every single day kind of like a quick makeup stuff like this, it was like completely bad thing, but I'm trying my camera. So if you want this, please let me know. It'd be so much fun for me to do for you every single day. So yeah, I'm gonna wear my clothes and show you my outfit, and yeah, I love you. Okay, so this is the final thing. I'm not gonna show you the whole thing because I'm still not dressed completely, but okay, this is how it's gonna go. Like, it's just blow dry this part a bit, and I'm ready to go. Yeah,